We had so much fun in St. Lucia, y'all.
Today we're incorporating a lot of the Caribbean flavors that we tasted when we were down there. We've got some dry jerk seasoning here, and we've got some wet jerk here.
And I'm gonna get started on our jerk wontons with salsa.
Let me get these covered.
Let's see if I can cut the whole stack at one time. And these are just a store-bought wonton. These little wontons feel so good.
Okay, now what we're gonna put on this is the same exact seasoning that we put on our shrimp, except this doesn't have any of the liquids in it. This is just a dry mix. This doesn't have any of the oils or any of those things. And I'm just gonna dust these with, of course, some butter. I want these to crisp up really nice and brown, and I also want this dry rub to stick to them. So we're gonna go with our favorite old staple.
Brush them with butter.
Melted butter. So these are kind of like homemade chips with some extra zing.
Yes, these are gonna be delicious. So what was your most memorable? I know what was my most memorable.
What was yours?
Doing that.
The zip line.
The zip line, yes, great time of day.
People talk to us about that all the time.
I said, these boys are trying to hurt me.
Mom got stuck in the middle.
I slid back into the middle, and one of the professionals had to come out and get me. But you know, it was so much fun.
Mom, these are gonna go in the oven now at 350 for just about 4 to 6 minutes. Y'all be careful with these because you don't want to burn them.
Well, I'm gonna start on our salsa. And I've got a red bell pepper. I've got a yellow bell pepper.
Now, Mom, I'm gonna peel our cucumber, and I'm gonna chop it up pretty fine for our salsa.
We've got everything we need here, Jamie, to make a wonderful salsa.
Pineapple salsa is one of my favorites.
Just gonna make those St. Lucia's memories come back to us through our taste buds.
Now I'm gonna do this pineapple, okay? We're going straight off the core with this.
All right, now I'm mincing my red bell pepper pretty fine, y'all.
I'm gonna take it right
That
off the
pineapple's
core.
gorgeous, son.
Nice and juicy. I'm using this whole pineapple, Mom, and it's yielding about 3 cups.
Here's the red bell pepper. All right, now I'm dicing up my yellow bell pepper, but you know, I don't like too big a chunks of bell pepper. So there's the yellow, and now 1 bunch of cilantro.
While you're doing that, Mom, I'm gonna put our liquid in here, okay?
Okie doke.
Now what we're gonna put in here is 3 tablespoons of
gosh,
apple
it's
juice.
strong smelling.
I know. Gosh, that is so strong smelling. Got 3 tablespoons of the apple juice concentrate.
And there's your jalapenos, son.
Oh yeah, can't forget the jalapenos. That's 2 and 3. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
That looks so good, Jamie. The pineapple looks incredible in there.
And I've got a couple of jalapenos here. I've taken the seeds out because we don't want it so hot that we can't eat it.
No.
Okay, Mama, put in the cilantro. That's really
Well, the cilantro gives it such flavor. All right, son, you want me to get our chips out of the oven?
I'm gonna check them. I know they're ready. I'm gonna put a little salt on this,
Okay,
Mom.
yes. Oh, these look yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those, son.
Beautiful. I think that's gonna be good. Let's test it. You want to? This is
I
a
do,
really
I do.
nice alternative to a chip. Look how light that is.
That is so thin and crisp, Jamie.
Did I get a big enough bite?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna. Yum.
The seasoning on these chips, that's what makes it good. You got the spicy, the pineapple. We both love it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.